is it? The little Star Wars symbol. You see, what is it?
What the fuck?
Star Trek. I think
What
that's
the fuck?
it is.
Stop playing.
But
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
I don't wave like this. Anyways, what's up, you guys? I'm doing a makeup review today on this little highlight stick that I got off of the Wish app. Yes, it is called the Wish app. Got this little bad boy for $1. It was free, but I just had to pay shipping for $1, so that's why it was $1. But anyways, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Open this little bad boy up. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this because this is like it looks like a little lip gloss tube. But I'm gonna try it out. I don't want to like put like I don't want to just put dots on my face and see how this goes. Do I have some? I'm just gonna use this brush. Oh. I don't even know if I can see that for real. Can you see that? Like, I can see a line, and that's it. Bro, I don't want no freaking line on my face. Okay, we're gonna try this on my nose, because the cheek did not work at all whatsoever. I mean, it looks like my nose is already highlighted, but we're gonna go ahead and try this. Bro, so my nose is already blinding from the light, but I mean, can you see it? You can see it. Like the light shows. Oh, snap! I almost fell. The light shows it really well. So I mean, I guess it works on your. Well, yeah, I guess it works. I'm gonna try it on my cheek again. I don't know. Yeah, let me hurry up for this one to dry up in this one place. Ooh. You can kind of see it. Sort of, kind of. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this, but I mean, if you want to use it as a nose highlight and you want your stuff to pop like you Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, then bish, I recommend you to get this, but I will not be getting this again. I just tried it. I would recommend this for people who wants to get like bright popping highlight, but not for no subtle highlight. Like, I mean, it's okay. I wouldn't wear it all the time. Like, I'm just gonna stick with the whole powder highlights, cause once you put this mug on, you gotta hurry up and like spread it out, cause it's gonna dry up real quick. So, but it made my nose look good, but I still look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Go ahead and check out my previous video, my eyebrow tutorial, to see how I get my brows like this. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this video, and yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and comment down below on what videos you want me to do next. And yeah, bye guys.